You know those days when you're everywhere, answering emails, jumping on meetings, tackling just one quick thing, and suddenly it's 7 p.m. It's not that you aren't trying, you're just playing whack-a-mole with your day. But what if you can skip this mayhem and design your own day? That's what time blocking does for your calendar. You'll focus more deeply, stress less, and finally see progress that feels real. So let's talk about the 5 time blocking apps that can help you stop multitasking and take back control of your day. First, we have ClickUp. It's not just a task manager, it's your converged AI workspace where you can be in control of your projects, docs, and even chat. It comes with the built-in ClickUp Calendar that helps you fix your schedule with the help of AI. It scans your backlog and blocks time for priority tasks automatically, so you can save 4 hours a week and focus 30% more. And if you are working with a team, it reads the room, knows who's available and when, so meetings can be scheduled minus the back and forth. And for focused work, you've got ClickUp's native time tracking features. Track how long each task actually takes from your ClickUp app, web, and mobile. Want to surface your priorities instantly? Take help from ClickUp Brain. The contextual AI assistant scans your workspace for your tasks, docs, and messages to give you a ready priority list to work out of. But if all this feels too much, you can download ClickUp's ready-to-use templates. The daily time blocking template breaks your day into bite-sized chunks for focus. The hourly schedule template schedules every hour for maximum productivity. And the schedule blocking template is ideal for deep work. The bottom line, ClickUp is where you'll get the most out of your time and most of your time back. Now, if you just want to see where your time goes, Clockify's your app. You block time, hit start, and it tells you exactly how long you spent on each task. It's straightforward. Perfect for catching those sneaky, quick 5-minute emails that somehow eat an hour. Clockify also syncs with Google Calendar and Outlook, so your track time stays connected across tools. But it focuses more on tracking than planning. So, if you just want simple, reliable time tracking without the bells and whistles, Clockify can be a solid option. Our third app, Sunsama, is productivity's calmer cousin. It starts your day with a guided planning ritual, helping you pick realistic goals, block focus time, and actually wrap up on time for once. It's perfect if you like structure, but don't want to feel chained to it. You can also pull tasks from Trello, Asana, ClickUp, Monday, or Notion, and align them right alongside your meetings. But some of its premium features feel unnecessary if your workflow's already simple. Fourth on the list, Todoist is the minimalist stream. Clean and quick to use. Just type "call Alex tomorrow" and it quickly adds it to your list as a task with the date attached. You can group tasks, add labels, and set priorities to stay focused. You also get seamless integration with 80+ tools like Google Calendar and Slack, so it fits easily into your routine. That said, some advanced features like reminders and labels sit behind the premium version. If you want a no-frills tool that helps you stay consistent every day, Todoist can still be it. Lastly, we have TickTick, a blend of productivity and personal development. You can block time, prioritize tasks, and even use the built-in Pomodoro timer to stay focused. It's also got a habit tracker. Perfect if you're trying to build consistency day by day. But TickTick's strength is also its limitation. It's designed for individuals, not for complex teams or data-heavy reporting. That's why if your goal is only to manage your day, stay disciplined, and build great habits, TickTick can be a solid option. So here's the thing. All these apps have strengths and excel at helping you block your time. But if you want planning, tracking, prioritizing, AI-powered scheduling, and that too at one place, that's ClickUp's territory. So go on. Try ClickUp firsthand for free on ClickUp.com.